down yoga? Okay. Okay. Now what?
So it's my limit. Put your arms over there.
I don't know if I can do that. I certainly can't.
I can do that.
I can't do it. I have my arms don't bend back like that.
I can do that. Try to do it. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, good. That's good. Like.
Oh, you were lying like this with your arms like bent back. I can do that. I can do that. Is that what you want?